Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into what Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance is, what it can do, and how it can be used across a range of industries. So, let's get started. Google Cloud Edge Appliance is a new offering from Google Cloud that helps organizations run applications at the edge of their networks. The appliance provides a reliable and secure platform for deploying and managing applications that require low latency and high bandwidth. It comes equipped with built-in network ports that offer connectivity to the control plane through various options such as the Internet, Cloud VPN, or dedicated interconnect, as well as your on-premises network. These appliances are home to a specific Google Cloud region, but they are versatile enough to use any public Google Cloud endpoint to communicate with the control plane in Google Cloud. This flexibility allows you to move the appliances between different geographic locations as per your requirements. Furthermore, every Google Distributed Cloud Edge appliance runs on Google Distributed Cloud Virtual, which enables you to create a single-node Kubernetes cluster with access to the underlying file system of the appliance. This feature permits you to develop containerized applications on the appliance's hardware to cater to use cases in various verticals. Now that we've discussed how Google Cloud Edge Appliance works, let's take a look at some of the industry use cases where it can be particularly effective. In manufacturing environments, Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance can be used to detect hazards or manufacturing defects in real time. The reference architecture shows a hazard detection solution running off a Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance on a factory floor. In the retail industry, Cloud Edge Appliance can be used to support in-store experiences. For example, by connecting in-store IoT devices to the cloud, retailers can create personalized shopping experiences for their customers. This includes things like digital signage, smart shelves, and mobile payments. It does all this within a retailer's facilities with the low latency and high throughput you need to process data locally, so you can obtain actionable insights from your data. Or you could use Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance at the edge to overhaul store management operations, for example, monitoring store occupancy, queue depth and wait times, detecting slips and falls and out-of-stock items, or monitoring inventory compliance. Endless possibility. In the healthcare industry, Cloud Edge Appliance can be used to support telemedicine and remote patient monitoring. With the appliance, healthcare providers can collect patient data in real time, monitor patient vitals, and provide remote consultations. This can help reduce healthcare costs, improve patient outcomes, and increase access to healthcare. The automotive industry is another sector that can benefit from the Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance. With the increase in connected cars and the need for real-time data processing, the Edge Appliance can help to reduce latency and provide faster insights for decision-making. For example, a connected car can generate up to 25 gigabytes of data per hour, including information about vehicle performance, driver behavior, and environmental conditions. With the Edge Appliance, this data can be processed in real time, allowing for predictive maintenance and faster response times in case of accidents or other emergencies. Moreover, the Edge Appliance can also help to optimize traffic flow in smart cities. By analyzing data from connected vehicles and other sensors, traffic signals can be adjusted in real time to reduce congestion and improve safety. In summary, the Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance can provide significant benefits for the automotive industry, including faster data processing, real-time insights, and improved safety and efficiency in smart cities. Google Distributed Cloud Edge Appliance is revolutionizing the way businesses operate in the manufacturing, retail, and automotive industries with its modern and containerized applications powered by Google Cloud. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your business with this innovative technology. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component and see you in the next chapter of this adventure.